Double sills in carpentry aren't always a must-have, but they can seriously boost your wall's strength and make finishing way easier. So, if you're wondering whether to bother with double sills, here's the lowdown. First off, double sills add extra support at the bottom of your wall framing, which is clutch when you want your structure to feel solid. They also make installing baseboards and trim smoother, since you've got more wood to nail into without worrying about hitting drywall or gaps. But honestly, if your project doesn't need that extra beef, a single sill usually does the trick just fine and saves you some cash and time. When you're trying to keep material use slim and labor light, skipping the double sill can be smart. Just make sure your local building codes don't require it before you decide. Also, double sills are a common best practice for walls that might take more load or where you want to avoid future squeaks or flexing. If you're doing something smaller or less weight heavy, a single sill is typically enough. Remember, it's all about balancing strength with efficiency. You don't want to overbuild if you don't have to. One of the biggest mistakes with double sills is assuming they are always legally required. This leads to wasted materials and time when your single sill would be perfectly fine. Fix that by checking your local building codes early on. Another issue is poor installation, like not properly securing the double sills, which can cause uneven floors or trim problems later. Making sure you nail everything tight and level can prevent this. Lastly, some folks forget that double sills aren't just about strength, but also help with trim install and finish work. Skipping them can make your finishing job harder and less clean looking, so if you want that pro finish, consider adding them. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients ready to get work done, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.